Amakhosi ngeke azithambise emidlalweni neSimba nakuba ayinqoba ngamagoli amane eqandeni eFNB Stadium ngempela sonto edlule.
They'll have hopes that they can, come back and score 4 or 5 goals and go through. But yeah, like you've mentioned, complacency, we are aware of that, and all we know is that they'll be coming at us. They will try everything to win the game at home. So we also have our own weapons, to throw at them as soon as they come at us.
iChiefs ibeka amathemba ebadlalini bayo abasebasha nababukhali kulezi insuku okungunjabulo Blom noNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo.
We want to make sure that we go all the way to the final. I think we have a big advantage with 4-0, but we need to go there and stay focused and make sure that we get away goals to just kill the game.
Ukuyodlala emazweni angomakhelwane kuhlale kuza nezinselele ikakhulu kulesikhathi secoronavirus.
We've had some major challenges along the way, but we've had some great hosts also who've really been wonderful and come to the party. And for me, it's just shown us that it's so important for us to be on the continent and to keep working on the continent with the rest of our fellow Africans.
Uma iKaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukushaya igoli lokho kuyothikameza umgqiqo weSimba SC kuphinde kuyicabele indlela ebheke kuma semifinals eCAF Champions League.